To understand how Emsella works, it's important to understand the role of the pelvic floor in overall body function. The pelvic floor is a group of muscles that form the foundation of the core. These muscles support the bladder, spine, hips, and the internal organs. They also play a critical role in posture, stability, and movement. When pelvic floor muscles are strong and functioning properly, they provide stability and control throughout the entire body. However, these muscles can weaken for many reasons, including aging, childbirth, surgery, prostate procedures, injury, hormonal changes, or inactivity. When pelvic floor muscles weaken, patients may experience symptoms such as bladder leakage, reduced core strength, hip instability, reduced glute activation, and overall decreased physical stability. This is especially common in men following prostate surgery, where pelvic floor muscles are directly affected and require rehabilitation. It is also common in women following childbirth or during menopause, when muscle tone and tissue support decline. Emsella is designed to restore strength and function to these muscles. It works by delivering high-intensity electromagnetic stimulation that activates deep pelvic floor muscles. This stimulation causes muscle contractions that are stronger and more effective than voluntary exercise. These contractions strengthen the muscle fibers, improve neuromuscular coordination, and restore proper muscle function. This improves pelvic floor strength, bladder control, and overall structural stability. Because the pelvic floor is part of the deep core stabilization system, strengthening it also improves hip stability, glute function, and overall posture. This makes Emsella valuable not only for bladder control, but also for rehabilitation, injury prevention, and performance. Treatment itself is very simple and non-invasive. Patients sit comfortably on the device while the pelvic floor muscles are stimulated. There are no needles, no surgery, you're fully clothed, and there's no downtime. Each session helps strengthen muscle fibers and improve neuromuscular control. Over a series of treatments, patients typically notice improved muscle strength, improved stability, and improved control. This is especially important for women after childbirth, women experiencing age-related muscle weakness, men recovering from prostate surgery, patients with hip and glute instability, patients with core weakness or low back instability, or patients looking to improve their overall core function. Ultimately, Emsella helps restore strength to one of the most important muscle groups in the body, the foundation of your core. When the pelvic floor is strong, the entire body functions better. The next step is a consultation to evaluate your symptoms, goals, and whether Emsella is appropriate for your rehabilitation or strengthening needs.